Hi, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the status of a student in Admire, changing it from applicant to student and from student to alumnus. Let's get started. In Admire, go to School, Students, and open the student browser. Over here, we're going to search for current students, and that will show us all different students here. So let's say we want to take Joseph Dovwenger, and we want to change his status. Over here, you see the student information. You see the name, his address, etc. And here you have a little drop-down menu where it says student. When you click that, you can change its status from student to alumnus, or from applicant to student. In this case, I'm going to change it from to alumnus. And now, when we save it over here by clicking the save icon, that will change his status, and he will no longer be showing in current students. So the next time we search for students in our current students, he will no longer be here. He will also be in our school alumnus lists, so that way we can keep track of who is current and who is no longer part of our school. Thank you for watching. Here at Admire Academy, we're constantly creating new content so that you can have a fundamental understanding of how to use this software to the best of your ability. We hope you enjoy, and we'll see you in the next one.